Hey everybody, my name is Corrado Arangio and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to go over the most recent news on CCIV and Lucid Motors and this potential Apple partnership. I'm also going to share with you guys my personal game plan with CCIV, but before we get into the video, if you could do me a huge favor and smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. I also want to know, what do you guys think this stock will be trading for by the end of the year? Leave your answer in the comment section below. Down in the description, I do have a link to Webull. All new users will get one free stock worth up to $2.50 to $250 after you open up an account, and one free stock that could be worth up to $8 to $1,600 after you deposit $100 in your account with my referral link that's below in the description of this video. Also, Webull fully supports pre and post market hours trading and free contract fee and zero cost option trading. CCIV opened today, Monday, March 1st at $32.49. The low of the day was $29.83 and the high was $32.54 and closed at $30.63 and was down 0.39% for the day. And after hours went up a little to $30.88. Historically speaking, the volume today was not that great. We saw almost 42 million, and that is down compared to last Friday, which was 68 million. Thursday, we saw 81 million. Wednesday was almost 140 million. Tuesday was almost 189 million. And last Monday, February 22nd, was a little over 63 million. I think that it's trending down and could be because it's a Monday. And last Monday we saw less volume, and maybe people just want to see where the markets are going to go throughout the week. And maybe the volume will pick up a little tomorrow. After decades of failure, finally electric vehicles are making a bid for top spot in automotive propulsion. Tesla busted that door wide open and hundreds of companies are trying to rush through it. Most likely the bulk of them will fail, but there are a few standouts. Churchill Capital Corp, ticker symbol CCIV, is bringing one of that high-end promise. Recently, they bought Lucid Motors public through a SPAC. CCIV stock, like many other SPACs, is already a wild ride. Today, we try to make sense of owning it. Like most other EV SPAC ventures, it's all a pipe dream still. They are in pre-revenue mode with promises of future successes. There's nothing wrong with risking money on potential, as long as the size of the risk is reasonable. Investors should label this as a speculative bet that CCIV stock will grow into its current price. There are some rumors out that Apple will join forces with Lucid Motors in delivering top-of-the-line EV. Late yesterday, SPAC_Culator on Twitter posted a video titled CCIV and Apple Autonomous Car. Here are the big clues Lucid Motors CEO dropped. He was about to say Apple but stopped his chatty lips. But he did grin. Too bad the moderator wasn't paying attention and didn't probe deeper. Speculator is talking about the last seconds of the video where Mr. Peter Rawlinson, CEO of Lucid Motors, talks about how Lucid is a perfect hardware platform for big Silicon Valley software company to prove what they can do with EV. While he was talking about software company, he was raising his eyebrows, and that was hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing when I saw him raise his eyebrows.
My view is, I think there's a compelling argument for partnership. This is a pragmatist in me. Let's lead, let's create the very best EV technology in the world, and I believe Lucid's got that. But I think I'm up for a partnership in terms of software. We've got the best car, we have the best hardware suite, we've got all this connected with an Ethernet gigabit ring, super connected car, 2 terabytes of data onboard storage, super cloud connectivity. This is the perfect platform for any Silicon Valley big company to prove out its AD software, I think.
Now, was this all developed in-house, or did you?
Following its massive merger with SPAC Churchill Capital, Lucid Motors CEO revealed that deliveries of its first EV have been delayed. The Lucid Motors Air Dream Edition was originally scheduled to begin deliveries this spring. It now appears it will debut sometime in the second half of 2021. In the interview, Rawlinson speaks candidly about the decision to push the debut of Lucid's first EV. He also explains that a number of factors went into the decision, especially after its recent merger with SPAC CCIV. Additionally, Rawlinson goes on to share what the automaker has planned after the Lucid Air Dream Edition does eventually get delivered.
You've delayed production until the second half of 2021. You said deliveries of Lucid Air would start in the spring. What's behind that delay?
Well, I mean, I was pushing like crazy for spring. And when we met with the Churchill Capital team, and I took Alan Mully, out in the car, and Alan drove the car, loved it, the very first car off the production line. We had a meeting of minds with Alan and all his experience from Boeing, with Michael Klein and myself. We all got on like a house on fire, and we recognized that, well, Peter, why are you pushing like crazy for this sort of almost artificial state in spring? What's really important here is to get the quality right.
As of now, deliveries of the Dream Edition Air could begin a few days into Q3 2021, or they could begin right before the end of the year. Lucid will not commit to a timeline at this point. From all the answers given by Peter Rawlinson, Lucid Motors feels confident with its extra time and additional funding. He also stated that the $4.5 billion from the SPAC merger will give the automaker a clear runway through 2023. That's when Lucid plans to begin phase 2 of its new factory, paving the way for its upcoming project Gravity SUV. I didn't buy any more shares today, but if the stock price goes to 27 or below, I will be buying some more shares. But for now, I'm just going to be holding and hoping that everything that Peter Rawlinson is saying actually happens. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to take advantage of the Webull promotion down below in my referral link in the description of this video. If you deposit $100, you get up to 2 free stocks that are worth up to $1,850. And please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios! Hey guys, it's Corrado. If you want to watch more videos, just click over here. If you want to subscribe, which that would make me really happy, just click over here. Have you subscribed yet? I need an espresso.